Panthers. My name is Dominique.
And I'm Angie.
We're here to review Las Estrellas food today. We are doing a review because our other side of the team decided to go and do Charlie's Tacos, and so we're seeing if Las Estrellas is better. And
so we're gonna be ordering our food in a bit, and right now we can't record there, so we'll be recording back once we get our foods. So bye.
Guys, so this is our food. Angelica got the quesadillas with, and then I got the kind of salad fries. I recommend people get this. It's pretty bomb. Wow, this is hella bomb! So overall, we actually really enjoyed Las Estrellas tacos and everything we got. I know everybody that's from Highland Park, obviously you know this place and you know it's good. So don't give up on this place. Keep going, keep coming here, bro. It's expensive, but it's worth it.
Overall, the food was really good. The quesadillas that I got, they kicking my mouth with like flavor, so it was like really good. And how were the salad fries?
So I'm actually saving some for later because they're hella bomb. Like, they had jalapenos, they had the salad and everything, and like for people that like just a lot of flavor and all that in one, then I suggest you get some masala fries, guys.
Alright, that's all for today's asada food review. So we'll see you Panthers later. Bye!
Hi guys, so we came to Charlie's Tacos, me and Rosemary, and I ordered the California burrito and Rosemary ordered a burrito de asada, and this is going to be our first time trying it from Charlie's Tacos. See if I end up liking this or not, and then at the end I'll recommend if you guys should try it or not. It tastes kind of weird, I don't know, maybe because I haven't like got the fries or whatever, but it tastes kind of weird.
What does your burrito have?
Fries, guacamole, asada, cebolla, and rice. We'll see how.
So I got my burrito and it's already halfway open.
Okay. So how does it taste, Rose?
Kind of tastes off.
Have you had better burritos?
This tasted better, but ay.
Okay guys, so and it was good overall, but I personally could not finish it because it was too big. But I would recommend it for everyone to try it out, and I'd give it an 8 out of 10, maybe 9.